started tearing down this piece of shit Chinese piece of shit mobile. It's got tons of blow by in the motor, so put a new cylinder and head on it and see if we can get it going, because the compression is just like it's got more compression, the timing not right. So be back with another update and get the motor tore down here. Here, got the tank off, all the parts sitting there. Sled sitting pretty. Anyway, so top end, this gasket right here. I put it back together the last time. It was leaking like a bastard and couldn't get the valve caps off because fucking Tom like glued them on or something stupid. Anyway, motor's gonna be coming apart here. Gotta clean up the frame. I don't want all the dirt dropping in the base. Yeah. See, the motors, either I'll be taking it apart or I'll be taking it apart. Either one. Loosen these all off here. Another thing is channel. Yes. Shit. More videos in the summer here. Kind of fucking winter right now, so. And I know the motor's dirty. But what can you do? Okay? Tomorrow we'll have a new top end for this. This one is shot big time. Check if there's any playing the crank. Doesn't seem to be any up and down play, which is okay. It's good. It means there's nothing wrong with the fucking bearings and the rod bearing. Anyway, I'll catch you back tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this little Baja build bullshit. Don't know what you want to call it. Subscribe for more, and hopefully we'll have this hog up tomorrow. Be able to rip it, but we will see. Peace. We're back here, still with the Baja. Anyway, here's the head off this parts motor. There it is. Goggles ain't off. Anyway, oh, the valve caps are fucking seized, fucking solid. For fuck's sakes. Anyway, I was comparing the cams. This is the cam out of the old. Ah, shit, you can't see that, but it's got bad wearing right up here and right here. And here's a cam out of the good. I don't know if you call it good. Here's a cam out of the one current motor. It's significantly less wear. So I was just comparing the two heads. This one's no real differences other than the fucking head is smashed in right. Let's see if you can see here. Head smashed in right. Yeah, I haven't focused, but it's smashed in right there and there. And the other head isn't smashed in at all, really. So, something else fucking rocker fell out, whatever. Yeah, so I'll be putting the head back together. Don't know if we're going to use the other one. We'll compare all of them tomorrow. We get the new parts. Anyway, Baja's good. Little update in the fucking sleds here. Got the players back. Running like shit. What can you do? Fucking broke the tire rod. I'll show you here. Here's the new workbench. Fucking mangled the tire rod. Fuck. She was rubbing. She's bent real bad. Broke the tire rod. Friggin' Pierce's new cat right here. She is one wicked rig.